children to today's online classes, and today we'll be doing English grammar. So you had already done noun, and we'll just brush up, and we'll be continuing with chapter 5 and 6 today. That is chapter 5 deals with noun number, and then we have chapter 6 noun gender. These are small chapters, so we'll do that today itself. So you know that nouns are the naming words, right? It is the name of place, person, thing, and also ideas and thought, which comes under abstract noun. Now today we will go to chapter 5. So all of you please take out chapter 5, that is in page number 16. And you can see over there it's given noun number. There are two numbers in English, okay? One is singular and one is plural. And you know this right from the beginning. We have been doing it in the junior classes itself. Now see over here, a noun that denotes one person or one thing is said to be singular number. So anything that is one, that is singular, like example, boy, girl, cow, knife, table, book, etc. A noun that denotes more than one person or thing is said to be plural. Example, boys, girls, knives, cows, tables, books, etc. Okay, over here you can look at Sania's room. A lot of things are lying over here. The sofa is there, the table is there, windows, books, clock. All these items are given to you. So you need to write the name of each and every item, and you need to change them to plural. So you will go through your books and you will do this, and later on you will be given all the exercises which will be done at the back. The written work will come to you in the next class. We shall come to exercise 2, that is in page number 17. Now you look carefully over here. When we are changing from singular to plural, to change these words there are different rules, and we will be seeing what are these rules. The plural of nouns is formed according to the following rules. Number 1, when we add s, that is the first thing, add s and change the singular to plural. Like boy, plural will become boys. Hand, hands. Map, maps. Okay? Where do we add es? Singular to plural, we also add es. When do we add that? Like words for benches. Bench, benches. Glass, glasses. Box, boxes. Clear? So we also add es to change singular to plural. The third rule, when you have a y at the end of the word, like army, you change the y and you convert it to ies. So army will become armies, armies. Okay? Fly, fly, you have a y at the end, right? That y you will convert it to ies and it will become flies. Similarly is for story. story will become stories, stories. That is the third one. If now we come to the next one, see, if the final y is preceded by a vowel, as in ay, ey or oy, what do? We add s to the singular. So what they are saying, that if you have a word which has a y at the end and you have a vowel before that, preceded is before. So like chimney, example chimney, chimney, there is a e vowel before y. So in this case what will become? You will change it and you will convert it to s. So you will write the entire word chimney and you will put a s. Clear all of you? Same thing with day, day. Before y you have a, which is a vowel. So you will write the entire word day, D-A-Y, and you will add a S at the end of the word, which will make it D-A-Y-S, days. And then the following, you'll go through all the words and you'll see. Next we come to the fourth rule, nouns ending in O, preceded by a consonant, generally form the plural by adding es to the singular, as in buffalo. You see, buffalo has O at the end. So what you will change it into? Es to make the plural form. So it will become buffaloes. Similarly, you have negro, N-E-G-R-O. So again you will write the entire word and you will put a es. So it will become Negroes, N-E-G-R-O-E-S. And the following, volcano. Volcano will become volcanoes. Okay, V-O-L-C-A-N-O-E-S. Alright. Now children, please turn your page to page number 18 and we'll see the other rules. All words which are ending in O-O, I-O, E-O or Y-O, and some words ending in O form the plural by adding S to the singular. Like double O you have in bamboo, alright, I-O you have in ratio, E-O you have in stereo, and the following. So see, O-O, bamboo, bamboos, only S. Ratio, I-O, you have ratio, S, you will put ratios. Then you have stereo, S-T-E-R-E-O. This you will put a S at the end of the word. So